Let's talk about lead scores. How can you make it so that when a prospect replies to one of your SMS marketing campaigns or opts out, how could you update the lead score based on that? What we're going to do is jump into setup, into automation and scoring rules. I'm going to add a new rule for the leads module, which will be if the lead has replied to a message. If they do reply, we're going to add 10 points. We'll add another one. If they have opted out, we're going to subtract 10 points. The way we get it to work with has replied before, I've set up inside the autoresponder module. There's a few shortcuts where you can make it automatically update fields in the module. By default, if the person replies with stop or cancel, the opt-out field will be ticked, but there's no built-in support for showing whether that prospect has replied or not. What we can do is we set up an autoresponder based on no other matching autoresponders. And then we tell it to update the has replied before field and to set true in that field. After I've done that, then the scoring rules should work. If I, for example, reply from this number, send a quick WhatsApp reply. And what we should see shortly is that the has replied field will update. And as a result of that, we'll also get a change in the lead score. You can see now, if we go to the timeline, that the score was updated because has replied before got updated. So that lead, now if we look in the list of leads, we can see that lead is at the top with a score of 10. Of course, you could play around with the numbers. Maybe you want to make it more than 10 or less, whatever will work in the greater context of your scoring system. That gives you an idea on how to be able to score leads based on their interaction with your SMS messages.